All right, guys, I'm going to go over a submission from a bad position. I really enjoy Americanas. We have a really high success rate with Americanas in competition. Have had people get them in jiu-jitsu tournaments, MMA fights. Like it's just, it's a good move for our team. And this is a lot of work of putting together details over the years and entries. This is one, you know, I've had a student hit this exact sequence a couple of times in a competition. One student had never even seen it. Now, I'll go over a couple of entries. I'll go over the entry I use, and then I'll go over the entry that this came up in a tournament in the blue belt division at like a Naga Worlds, right? So super legit Naga Worlds. Okay, so here, get me in side control, like on this side. But yeah, like here, like you're trying to cradle me almost. When somebody does that, push their head in. Stupid. Don't leave your arm there. That's stupid. Okay? But it's more complicated than that. In my life is a 17-year black jiu-jitsu practitioner black belt, right? So, look, I've got this bent straight series. I've got the Americana. I've got the Udigatami, right? And if I switch my grip, I've got the Kimura, even maybe a wrist lock here. Okay, and I've landed all of that rolling. I do not chase the triangle choke. You can grab their arm and really pull it across. You can sometimes, they'll try and go over to this side and I'll tap you with the triangle choke, the actual strangle, but I'm thinking about this as joint lock, okay? And, you know, hopefully you don't have to use this because you didn't get put in side control, okay? What are we doing here, all right? Don't get put in side control. So put me in a side control where you don't make a stupid mistake like this. Yes, okay. Now it's a lot harder. People are going to use their arms to create wedges, to torque your face with their shoulder and shit like that. It's terrible. Okay, so look, before he gets his hands together, what I want to do is alleviate some of this shoulder pressure if he's laying down his shoulder on my face by this. Okay, now I also even have a win with this in a tournament. Sadly, was inside control, right? There, boom, tap, wrist lock. Okay, if they're better than, you know, tournament people and whatever, and they start backing their arm out, there it is, bent, straight. If you're this way, it's bent, straight. Okay, you got the wrist lock as well. Okay, so just a nice little sneaky entry there. Like I'm doing like a wing. Like a lot of times I'll hold this and I'll start trying to get my shin in, right, in between his legs or across his waist, and sweep from here, okay? But also, sometimes I'm not able to do that. I just alleviate a little bit here, and we'll start playing this. You can even hit a underside mount Americana here, right? That's a little jewel, right? It's like we're dancing here, right? But look, boom. Got that head captured, and then you're on this arm, okay? So, and this is a sequence. I've like really, the last two videos we did today, there's some moves in my chest of signature moves, right? That I just like haven't busted out. We got like 1,500 videos on our channel between all the classes and live videos and seminars and striking, you know. So it's not all jiu-jitsu, but I've never busted that one out, right? So that's one I've done for a long time. I've used it to get out of some bad spots, you know. It's fun little technique. All right, thanks guys.